Bro, we gotta go. Let's record the fireworks. Try to find fireworks so I can record it. We're gonna record
we
fireworks.
almost got caught.
I know. Where's the trampoline? The little.
Wait,
Move. I'm scared of you.
wait. Seriously? Wait, Michael, let's do that thing again. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Whoa, what? Ruby, stay. I'm gonna have to be right back. Bye. Don't click anything bad.
Okay. Okay, go, guys.
Go to okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. One's not scared of the pants, okay. One's not scared of the pants, okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. One's not scared of the pants, okay. One's not scared of the pants, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't follow my shoes. Oh, do something cringe. Do something cringe. My dad. Guys, we gotta go. Bye. There's no way. Did you say... Wait, say that again?
Big guy.
She said... Wait, what'd you say?
I said, Erica went over the fence.
No, the fuck I didn't.
I know, I just pretended.
We don't even know where... No, thanks.
You're such a big bat.
Shut the fuck up. You guys do the big guy trend. Okay? Ruby, do it by yourself. Do it by yourself, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Big guy, but big guy, big guy, big guy. No. I don't even know how to sing the song, okay? I might just says SpongeBob SquarePants a lot to sing the way. We probably did it so wrong. Guys, here's a tour of our shed.
No, there's ghosts in there.
No, the fuck there isn't. Turn the light on. It's a safe spot from the zombies when we ever get attacked. LOL. Shut the fuck up.
Wiener. No, I didn't.
Shut the fuck up. You're nasty.
No, I didn't.
Michael,
No, I
you.
seriously didn't.
Michael,
No,
you.
I
need to shut
doing
the
like
fuck
this.
up, bro.
No, I didn't.
You guys are cousins. You guys need to chill unless you really like her, bro.
I don't like it.
Ew. No, I'm sorry. Ouch.
Hey, no.